Welcome to this beautiful home in Sunway Palazzio, designed for Joe and Veronica and their two adorable kids. They moved here from a condo in Montclair, wanting to escape the chaotic city life. Now they're surrounded by greenery. The space is peaceful, calm, and perfect for family living. The design blends modern and elegant elements. We choose navy blue as the main highlight, mixing it with rich walnut wood, off-white tones, and a touch of gold to add warmth and sophistication. We work to keep many of the original finishes, like the marble and timber floors, while giving them a fresh update. The timber was refinished with darker tones to better match the new look and feel. The clients have a lovely collection of paintings. We made sure to create special spots around the home to showcase them. In fact, Veronica's sister is actually a painter, and this is one of hers. Since Joe and Veronica love hosting guests, we added a stylish pantry bar near the living and dining area. It's perfect for easy access and also serves as a feature that enhances the overall space. Each child has their own unique space. The boys' room has a darker and cooler theme, while the girls' room features a soft pastel pink with a lovely dressing table. The master bedroom is calm and simple, with no clutter. One special detail is the old jewelry console from their previous home. We repainted it to match the room colors and give it a fresh look. We also fully upgraded all the bathrooms using marble look tiles that are anti-slip, so they are safe even when it's wet. In the master bathroom, we made a bold statement with the black marble tiles and black ceiling, creating a cool contrast between the dry and wet area. And last but not least, we absolutely love this balcony. It's designed to be semi-outdoor, so you can enjoy the fresh breeze and stunning views throughout the day. Honestly, we wouldn't mind living here ourselves.